Have you ever wanted to create a coloring page from your own ideas or photos in just seconds? With ColoringBook AI, it's possible and incredibly easy. This playful tool uses AI to turn text or images into custom coloring pages that you can print or color online. In this video, we'll take a fun tour of ColoringBook AI features and show you how anyone, kids, parents, teachers, artists, can make unique coloring pages without any drawing skills. Getting started is honestly a breeze. Just head over to their website. Right away, you'll notice the site's bright, playful vibe, which is pretty inviting, especially if you've got kids peeking over your shoulder. The main thing that'll catch your eye is the AI Coloring Pages generator. Up top, there's a menu with options like free coloring pages, photo to coloring page, text to coloring page, online coloring, and a gallery. You'll also spot links for your dashboard, upgrading your plan, and even language settings. The best part? You can dive in right away. Just hit the big Start Free Now button. No need to fish out your credit card for the free trial, which is always a relief. Let's talk about the free coloring pages section first. It's basically a treasure trove of printable coloring sheets. You'll see all sorts of thumbnails, like for example, cat, dragon, flower, and plenty more. Click on any of them. Everything here is totally free, and the categories are pretty broad: superheroes, animals, cartoons, holidays, you name it. You can search or just scroll around until you find something that will light up your classroom or kitchen table. Printing them at home is super easy too. Now, if you want to get a little more creative, there's the photo to coloring page tool. This one's a hit with kids, and, honestly, adults too. You just pick the option, upload a photo, maybe your dog, or a favorite family snapshot, and the AI turns it into a black and white line drawing, ready to color. It's as simple as uploading, clicking Generate, and then downloading your new coloring page. I tried it with a picture of our cat, and the result was surprisingly cute. There's also a text to coloring page feature, which is kind of magical. You type in a description, like the dinosaur blowing bubbles, or the dragon reading a bedtime story, and the AI whips up a coloring page to match. The homepage even shows off some sample prompts and what they look like, which is great for inspiration. Once your page is ready, you can download it as a PDF or PNG. It's a fun way to bring kids' wildest ideas to life. Want to create a page about planets for a science lesson? Type it in and you get a galaxy of planets to color. Or type alphabet letters on clouds, and get a perfect worksheet for little kids to practice their letters. The possibilities are endless. If you're working on a bigger project, like making a whole coloring book, batch mode is a lifesaver. Instead of creating one page at a time, you can upload a bunch of photos or enter several prompts, and the site will process them all together. Heads up, though, batch mode is part of the paid plans. Free users can make single pages, but if you upgrade, you can crank out dozens at once, perfect for teachers prepping for a big class activity. Premium plans unlock extra goodies here, like special brushes and more color options, but even the free version gives you plenty to play with. The gallery is worth a peek, too. It's full of popular and featured pages, many created by other users. It's a nice spot to get ideas or just see what's possible. Now, what about actually coloring? ColoringBook AI has that covered as well. There's also an online coloring tool, which lets kids color right on the website. Pick a picture, and you'll get a digital canvas with brushes and color palettes. You can use your mouse or even a tablet to fill in the lines. Of course, if you prefer paper, you can simply print it out and color it the old-fashioned way. It's a great blend of digital and traditional fun. ColoringBook AI is packed with extras, too. There's a huge library of free coloring pages created by other users that you can browse anytime, from cute animals and holiday scenes to abstract designs. If you ever get stuck, just pick something from there to get started. Teachers love using this library to find ready-made pages for classroom activities, and parents use it to keep kids entertained with fresh content. If you make an account and sign in, you'll be able to check your profile, see how many pages you've made, and keep track of your usage. Now, about the free versus paid stuff, ColoringBook AI gives everyone a limited number of free uses each month, so you can try out the AI generators without spending a dime. If you find yourself wanting more, upgrading to a premium plan removes those limits and adds some perks. If you need even more, higher tier plans let you create hundreds or even thousands of pages, offer 24/7 support, commercial use rights, batch mode, and privacy mode, so only you can see your creations. Bottom line, the free account is perfect for trying things out or making a few pages here and there. But if you're a teacher, a parent with creative kids, or someone who wants to make a whole coloring book, the premium plans are definitely worth a look. You'll get bigger monthly limits, high-res downloads, and a bunch of extra features to make your coloring projects really shine.